Hi guys, my name is Raven and welcome to my channel. My YouTube channel is Raven Life and Travel, so if you're new to my channel, please do like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more videos. And for today's video, we are going to react to Ruel Carino singing What a Wonderful World. So alam na natin ang mangyayari dito kasi knowing na si Ruel is talagang Matt Monro ng Philippines. So without further ado, let's check it out. Parang by request to guys. Parang may segment sila dito na may mga request. Tama ba?
I see trees of green,
Go.
red roses too,
Matt Monroe nga eh.
red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you.
Grabe talaga si Rowell, no? Napaka-consistent.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Naging tunay na Matt Monroe na siya, guys. Yung tumandang Matt Monroe na, alo.
What a wonderful world.
Gaya-gaya.
Aminin nyo, gaya niya si Matt Monroe doon.
I see skies of blue.
Na-amaze pa rin talaga ako dito kay Rowell. Kahit pa ulit-ulit ko na siya napapanood, yung kanta niya, parang tulad lang siya nung parang nga lang hindi siya nagsasalita. Parang normal lang sa kanya. Wala man lang kumukunot na noo. Wala sa mukha niya na nahihirapan.
The clouds of light, the bright blessed day,
Diction, tsaka storytelling.
the dark sacred night, and I think to myself,
Oh my God, naman si Ruel. Lahat na lang ng react out sa kanila. Ganun yung nararamdaman ko.
think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Galing. Go, Ruel! Actually, ang laging nare-reactan ko talaga, ito si Ruel tsaka si Jerome. Kasi grabe yung boses nilang dalawa. Parang pasabog palagi.
The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky.
Sana mag-collab silang dalawa, no? Kasi pareho sila ng boses, eh.
Are also on the faces of people going by.
Parang wala lang talaga siya, no? Wala man lang... Ay, naku. Wala man lang kahirap-hirap si Ruel
I see
kumanta.
friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do?
Sumasapi sa kanya si Matt Monroe, guys. Wala. Bini-basic lang tayo ni Ruel. Ulitin nga natin yun.
But then
Ang galing niya doon.
shaking hands, saying, how do you do? But they're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry.
It gives me chills, guys. May chills kang mararamdaman sa boses talaga nito ni Ruel.
I watch them grow.
Oh my God. Naririnig ko si Matt Monroe, yung may edad na Matt Monroe.
They'll know much more than I'll ever know. And I think
Marami makaka-relate dito sa video na to.
to myself,
Okay?
what a wonderful world.
Namnamin natin yung kanta ni Ruel, guys.
Yes, I think to myself,
Grabe.
what a wonderful.
Grabe yung boses niya, no? Tingnan natin to.
What a wonderful world.
Buti hindi nagagasgas yung lalamunan ni Ruel, no?
Yes, I think to myself,
Grabe. Consistency, guys. Ang
Wow!
galing naman ni Ruel. Ulitin ko nga yung kanina, yung una.
And I think to my,
Ano yun?
the bright blessed day.
Pero siya dito kinanta kanina eh. Yung una niyang nilakihan yung boses
And
niya.
I think to myself,
Grabe, ang galing talaga din ito ni Ruel. Hindi rin talaga nagpapatalo sa ano.
what a wonderful world.
Isa siya sa paborito ko sa The Clones. Grabe.
The colors of the rainbow.
Yung kanina, balikan ko lang sandali guys ha.
Red roses too. I see them bloom
Dito yun guys eh. Paano?
for me and you. And I think to myself,
Ito, tignan niyo, pakinggan niyo siya dito.
what a wonderful world.
Gaya-gaya.
Ay, nakakaloka si Ruel.
When I never know
Original ang boses. Matt mo.
to myself, what a wonderful world.
Kahit na-clone siya, kahit clone lang siya ni Matt Monroe, hindi mo mahalatang clone dahil talagang legit na legit yung boses niya, hindi clone.
Yes, I think to myself,
Yes. Hindi ako move on. Parang gusto ko siyang ulit-ulitin para hindi na siya tumigil kumanta.
wonderful world.
Wow!
Natatawa na lang si Ruel kasi nga parang binibasic niya lang tapos ang dami nang na-amaze sa boses niya. Galing
Hindi naman
Ruel.
masakit sa lalamunan.
Hindi naman.
Hindi naman.
Kasi parang ginagrowl niya yung boses niya eh. Grabe, talent talaga yan. It's a talent. Kasi kahit i-growl mo yung boses mo, kung hindi mo naman talaga siya talent, hindi rin siya ganun lalabas na maganda. So palakpakan naman natin si Ruel. As usual, maganda na naman ang performance ni Ruel palagi kahit na tumatawa lang siya. Wala siyang ka-effort-effort kumanta pero yung emotion laging nandoon. Tapos yung storytelling tsaka yung diction niya ang ganda. Same as always. Kaya what do we expect to Ruel, di ba guys? So hanggang dito na lang ang video natin. Pag nagustuhan yung video na to, please give me a like and click the notification bell for more videos. Again, my name is Raven and sa mga hindi pa nagsusubscribe sa akin guys, please do subscribe to my channel, Raven Life and Travel. Bye-bye!
Sky